Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram will restrict certain activity problem easily and fast. So all what you wanna do guys to fix this problem is very easy and simple. Open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then you have to enable the airplane mode on your phone and disable it again. Go back to the home page, open your Instagram, and now go to your profile, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click on settings, click on this help option, click on report problem, so you will report the problem to the Instagram support team. Click on report problem without shaking, and after that on this page you will find two options. The first option is you have to send a message right here. The second option, you have to send a photo of the problem from here by choosing the gallery or take a screenshot. Click next, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.